Look at this. What is that? Oh my god. No, but what is it? It's so creepy. It's freaking me out. Is this real hair? Oh my god. And look. Ugh. Guys, I just came in to make dinner and look what I found. Another one. Oh my gosh. It's a boy this time. Oh my god. Why would you look at that? Why would anyone have this in their house? Honestly, it's the creepiest thing I've ever seen. Oh my god, it has another bell. Oh my god. Guys, guess what? The TV just literally turned itself off by itself, and then the lights started going insane. Let me show you. Okay, wait for it, because it was literally just happening a second ago. Max? Better not be out of bed. Okay, I think I'm just gonna get him and go because it's really freaking me out.
Oh my god!
Gonna get some juice first. Gonna get some juice for my movie. Gonna get some juice. Orange juice. Give me this orange juice. Gonna get some popcorn. Okay. Hello? Alrighty then. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way. Oh no, 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 no.
Hey guys, just came back from dance class. Michael, what are you doing in my room? Why'd you lock the door?
Son las 3 de la mañana, estoy escuchando ruidos súper extraños en el primer piso. Si quieres asesinarme, solo aplaude.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. حجي 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 حجي. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What you see down Liam, come here. Liam, right now. What is that? Okay, I'm calling your mom.
انت مين؟ وحيد.
Pero si yo lo vi. Mati, ¿pero no lo viste? No, ya. Pero Mati, mira la...
A las 3 de la mañana, que es un meme contigo.
Taking her with me when I move, so if any of you are interested in that doll, please let me know, because I don't want to keep her, but I'd like her to go to a good home. I mean, if there's somebody out there that's interested. I don't... Did that thing just move?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
Okay, it's 2 in the morning. My cabinets were just fucking flying open like crazy, and then I don't really. Holy fuck! I don't want to fuck in this house anymore. What the fuck? What the fuck?
What do you want?
Video of this discovery and
Y'all, look at this shit. Just look. You see that shit? Y'all see that shit? Yo, watch this. Got it on camera.
Yo. You see movement then? Move the light. Yo.
Flash is on. Alright, let's take a look.
Oh, yo no sé. Iba a decir eso. ¿Se vio? ¡Ah!